Hey friend, welcome to the very first episode of Biz with Liv. I'm Olivia, you can call me Liv. I'm a content creator and social media coach who helps busy business owners turn simple videos into clients, cash, and freedom. If you've ever thought, I don't have time to create content or I'm too late to this whole creator thing, this show is for you. We're going to make content feel simple, sustainable, and most important of all, profitable. Before we dive into strategy, I want to zoom out and talk about why this matters and why you need to start now. I'm about to share with you some of the statistics that get me so fired up about the creator economy. It's why I created this podcast. Here is the reality hitting us in 2026. The creator economy is a $250 billion industry and growing 20% year over year. 85% of brands plan to spend more on creators than traditional brands. They're spending more because they see it. They see that social media is working. Just last night, I went on LinkedIn and started looking up job postings. And I was very impressed to see that almost every big company now hires not one, but a whole team of in-house content creators. When I started doing social media back in 2017, 2018, that wasn't the case. This new era of content becoming mainstream marketing is a product of COVID, the quarantine era. Unilever, one of the biggest consumer goods conglomerates, announced last year that they will allocate half of their entire marketing budget to social media and creator-led marketing. The big brands are catching on. They understand that the trust has shifted from traditional advertising to social media. That means that a single product review or unboxing video shared by your favorite influencer is more influential than the professionally produced TV commercials. Creators are the new media channels. Now, if you haven't used TikTok, I want to tell you about TikTok Shop. It works just like Amazon, but with one big difference. Products are recommended to you when you're casually strolling. I have a son who's a toddler and a daughter who's a baby, so I get a lot of recommendations from the mom and baby category whenever I'm scrolling. Sometime last year during the football season, I saw a cute video of a baby wearing a football-themed onesie, and I thought, oh, I need to get that. And sure enough, there was a link. I clicked on it, and then they asked for your details, credit card, address, and a few days later, voila, it shows up on my doorstep. I share this story because so many of you listeners are still thinking of TikTok as an app where teenagers dance. That was TikTok in the COVID era. Today, it's where most of Gen Z go to find product recommendations. What should I wear to this wedding? What shoes should I get? What makeup should I buy? It's all on TikTok. YouTube has its very own shop too. So TikTok Shop and YouTube Shopping are exploding. Small businesses are making six figures straight from simple videos that you too can film at home. No fancy equipment needed. Not for TikTok Shop, not for YouTube Shopping. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need fancy cameras. You just need a phone. That's it. And to understand how these platforms work. That's why I'm here. Let's talk about Instagram. Instagram has always been a massive commerce platform for creators, but I don't need to tell you that. Most of you listening already use Instagram, so you see it. And let's go back to YouTube for a second. It's the world's largest creator economy. Neil Mohan, the CEO of YouTube, said that over the last 4 years, YouTube has paid over $100 billion to creators, artists, media companies, and other partners. In 2024, the platform supported 490,000 full-time jobs in the US alone. Social media is a place to make money. And the more you understand how it works, the more you leverage it, the bigger your business will grow. Everything I've shared with you is so exciting because it paints this big picture of growth. The pie is getting bigger. The future of marketing is in social media. And the main takeaway I have for you as a small business owner and a creator who's looking to launch your first product is that for marketing efforts to work in 2026, we need to adjust how we communicate to mirror consumer patterns, away from traditional polished advertisements to authentic, influencer-driven content. But here's the other thing, the attention costs are skyrocketing. Organic reach is dropping 30% yearly. Those who start now lock in an audience before it gets harder. You get to practice how to create these videos before it becomes too competitive. But I will tell you one thing that I found really interesting. So it's a shift from how social media is. You see, when I started doing social media 2017, 2018, it really was social media. The more followers you had, the more views you would get on a video. But now it's actually moving from social media to interest media. There's a shift in how algorithms recommend content from the friends you follow to AI recommendation based on your consumer patterns. This is especially true on Instagram and LinkedIn. And if you pay attention to what creators are saying on these platforms, you'll see that lots and lots of creators have been complaining about this. They're complaining that they have these large platforms, but they're not getting visibility because guess what? The platforms are not caring about how many followers you have anymore. They just care about, does your content match with what the person scrolling wants to see? So if you spend just a few seconds looking at a post on Instagram will start to think, oh, Olivia is really interested in this particular piece of content. And all day long, they send you similar posts. This can be annoying for consumers, but it's really good for business. It means that even if you have a small follower count, you can still win social media on SEO alone. Because remember what I said, it's not technically social media anymore, it's interest media. You don't need a TV commercial. You need a phone and a clear message. You don't need millions of followers. You need the right few thousand who trust you. You are no longer just a business. You are a media company for your niche. Biz with Live exists because the next wave of successful business owners will be the ones who treat content like an asset, not a chore. And that wave is happening right now. Your competition isn't sleeping. 1 in 5 social media users now identify as a creator. The woman who's posting consistently 6 months from now will have your dream clients while you're still planning. Social media isn't about thinking about it. It isn't about planning. It's about showing up. It doesn't work until you show up. 2026 is the last year platforms will heavily reward organic growth before paid promotion becomes table stakes. So, what can you expect from Biz with Live? First, you're going to expect short, actionable episodes you can listen to on a school run, your drive to work, or between client calls. Second, you can expect clear frameworks for viral-ready short-form videos on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Third, expect real examples and breakdowns of content that actually converts, not just vanity metrics. My promise to you is that every episode will give you at least one thing you can post, say, or try that same day. If this first episode was helpful, it would mean the world to me if you 1, hit follow or subscribe, and 2, send this to one business owner friend who keeps saying, I know I should be posting more. I know it.